Hey guys, Death Go here today. Today we're going to be doing a channel trailer, kind of a vlog for channel trailer. You know what I mean, guys?
It's me. He stole my chair.
And
So
this
chair. He stole my
is
chair.
my
so I have to
brother
use
right
his chair.
here.
He stole my
You
chair.
know my brother. No, I didn't. I never stole chairs. But so it's gonna be a little channel. Introduce you guys to my channel. So let's do it.
By the way, I get the
My channel is just I don't really do gaming. I do like challenges usually and like videos of stuff. You know, 10 stuff specials of my right now. But I usually do I think this is gonna be it too. But you know, like it's just gonna do a quick vlog right here.
channel trailer.
And my brothers, I play Roblox a lot. If you guys want to see a Roblox video, comment down below. But this is just a boring.
He stole my
right now.
chair, guys. He stole it.
I never stole this ugly person's chair right there. Ugly.
You have to make a new one.
No, I don't. I don't have to do anything. And this is my dad, right here. Yeah. And let's go to my mom. Hello, Mom. This is my mom. And guess who this is? He's Avery. Yep. And this is Sparky. Yeah. And it's my mom's long receipt. How long is that?
Too long.
116 items sold. Oh my god.
Wait.
That's a very long receipt, guys. If you know what I mean. But this is gonna be like a vlog channel trailer type thing. I want to do an intro for it. But yep. Basically what it's gonna be. So yeah. But it's not done yet. If I can find my cat, I can show you her cute little kitty. Let's go watch my dad do some stuff. What are you doing, Dad?
Old computer.
What kind of computer?
Trash 80, Model 4.
No, TRS-80.
Yeah, we call it Trash 80.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
Trash 80.
Oh, ha, ha, ha.
From 1982.
How many do you have?
Just this one or this one.
Well, yeah, no, different models like the Pocket Edition. And
I have about 40 or 50 computers.
now, how many TRS-80 models do you have? TRS-80
Three.
Pocket computer. Where's that thing at?
It's under somewhere.
Find it.
A bunch of computers.
Bunch of them. He has a lot. You can't forget the classic Nintendo. And you can't forget, that's what he's working on them right now. But it's a classic. This one is a classic. Heavy 6-pounder. Also known as a 6-switcher. Atari. Whoop, whoop. And, oh, here's the pocket computers. Uh-oh. It's smoking.
What's fucking?
Yeah.
This?
Yeah.
I'll smell it. Is it gonna blow? Alright, let me film it. Yes, it does.
Get out of here.
Yeah, it's smoking.
Get out of here. I don't want to.
Hold on, man.
It's gonna catch a fire. Yeah, Dad's computer is smoking.
Really?
Yeah, it smells like.
Record that. That'd be perfect.
Yeah, my dad's computer is smoking. Yeah, this is perfect for video. Turn it off, Dad.
Come on, buddy, let's see what happens.
Oh, it's people autofocus.
I think it stopped.
No, I don't think so. Ooh, God. Well, it's what I did last time. And it stinks like crap. It's perfect for a video. But ew. Yeah. Let's just record this and see if it catches on fire.
You might have told me.
Yeah, I don't think you started recording yet, Dad. You didn't.
That's what's right.
But good thing I'm recording. And better quality.
Seems to be okay.
But still smells like crap.
Yeah, it's kind of stinky, huh?
What
Looks
country?
like fire's gonna shoot out of it, don't it?
Yeah, what country is it built in?
Huh?
What country is it built in?
I don't know. That's a good question.
Maybe that's why.
Maybe it's just 40 years old and it doesn't do well.
No. This is the last time instead of caught on fire.
Yeah, last time smoke shot out of the back of it.
Yeah. That was crazy. That was like 2 years ago, though.
Yeah.
I haven't messed with this thing since.
When it boots up, that's when it has all the. That's when it gets all the. You can never leave the disc in when you turn it off. Okay, remember that.
It can break the disc. Or break the head, right?
You can erase the sector under the disc.
Mm. Your camera does way better on screens than mine. My camera's horrible on screens.
Point. What does the point do?
Yeah. I don't think that's supposed to happen.
Apparently that was nothing.
Basic keyboard works.
It locked up.
Uh-oh.
I didn't know reset's working. Maybe screen just locks it up, you know? Let's find out, won't we?
Huh?
Maybe screen just locks it up.
Maybe. Yeah, this is kind of a weird vlog, I guess.
It does. Completely locks it up.
I guess this isn't a vlog, guys. Do I have a scratch on my lens? Lindsay must have touched it. But it doesn't look like it's affecting the video. So
Snow
that's
went
good.
away. And it didn't explode, so I'm gonna call that good, yeah.
Yep. For now, please.
You told Mom it started stinging like something's on fire?
Yeah, I told her. She said I should record it.
Oh, yeah, that's right, she did.
And this is, guys, and this is going in the vlog, guys. I'll just make a separate channel trailer, okay? Guys, I'll make a separate channel trailer. This is just like, this is perfect clickbait, you know? Yeah, yeah, guys, I'll make a separate channel trailer for you guys.
Alright, man. Oh, there's a way to make it start up and do basic. Let's see.
I still record.
Let's find out something we can hit to make it do something. Alright. So I don't remember how to use it, Ben, so I have to go in here and look it up on the internet.
When would it's catching on fire in there? Probably. If you guys could smell it, it would smell horrible.
It's not very pleasant, is it?
Not a pleasant smell. Well, tell me which it stinks again. That's good vlog quality stuff. Well, yeah, that's, unfortunate. Try that. Weird. Well, boom. It started smoking. I guess I'm gonna end this vlog here, guys, so, bye!